Residential roofers in Denton, Texas, JBN Roofing of Texas. Call the roofing experts at 469-340-0838 if you need reliable and affordable residential roofing in Denton, Texas. JBN Roofing of Texas is an experienced residential roofing company that has been servicing the Denton, Texas area for years with efficient roof solutions and dedicated customer service. Our experienced and courteous professionals work to find a solutions that not only suits your needs, but also accommodates your budget. As a homeowner, you know that caring for your roof is a big part of caring for your house, which is why it is essential that you have a contractor you can count on to keep your roof in great condition. At JBN Roofing of Texas, we are specialists in services of all types, including repairs, replacements, and installations. All of our roof systems are created with only high-quality supplies, which is why we are recognized as a reliable residential roofer in Denton, Texas and surrounding cities. We do traditional asphalt shingles. If you want to defend your house with asphalt shingle roofing, give our team of professionals a call today. Roof replacement. If your old roof has fallen into a state of disrepair, our team can assist you with a total replacement or a completely new installation. Flashing installation. Your roof's flashing plugs any gaps in your roofing system and blocks potential water damages. Keeping it in proper shape is essential. Free roof inspections. Roof inspections are the best way to prevent unnecessary damages and save costs on repairs. Roof Repair Company. We offer fast as well as budget-friendly roofing repairs for residential roof systems all over the city. Soffit and fascia roof repair. Soffit and fascia are key parts of your roof that protect against water damage, animal infestation and more. Great roof service is just a phone call away. For top quality assurance, we instruct each and every one of our crew members in evolving industry standards and techniques. We also make sure that all of our contractors are skilled and insured. Our roofing is always top quality, but affordable. When you choose us as your residential roofer, you receive top quality roofing, long-lasting results, and superior home protection. If it's time for repairs or a replacement, count on the professionals at 469-340-0838. Ask about our residential roofing in Denton, Texas.